Great job! After the create and design steps, your beautiful content stream is ready to be shared with your prospects and customers. There are 4 ways to share a content stream. The first way is sharing link. The second choice is using promotional content to promote the sharing link. The third method is promoting by using newsletter. Finally, using embeddable web page to promote. I am going to explain each way for you. The first one, promote with sharing link. The easiest way to share a content stream is to copy the sharing link and paste it wherever you want. Before copying the link, choose the channel where you plan to share it, so you can track where the traffic is coming from at the analyze step. For example, if you share this stream on Facebook, choose the channel social, value Facebook, and then copy the link. Paste it on your Facebook post. Remember to add a caption related to the topic of your content stream along with the link to make the best out of your post. For example, my caption is, "Ready to buy a new house? Here's is a comprehensive guide for first-time home buyers tool and your dream house." The second method is promoting with promotional content template. If you want to save time writing social post captions, ads, or emails to promote the content stream link, you can use EOwn promotional templates. Under Channel Social, Facebook Ads, SMS, Email, click on Add from Templates and select one of the templates to promote on that channel. Click Preview to view the content of the template before using it. All the chosen promotional templates will be listed in the list promotional content, so you can reuse or edit them later. You can easily edit the text and images of these templates. For example, click Edit Template to edit the featured image of this social post on Canva, and pull the changes directly back to EOwn. On the channel social, click Publish Now on a promotional content to connect to your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn accounts. You can publish the promotional content now or schedule them for later. The status of the post will change from draft to published. You can also find all the promotional content you created as draft or published on the Publishing tab on the dashboard. The third one is promoting with newsletter. Instead of sharing a content stream as a link, you can also export it as a newsletter to share with your email list. Assuming that I was a receiver of your newsletter, your emails are going to be appeared in front of viewers' eyes like this. If you send the newsletter on Gmail or Outlook, you can simply copy the email images and paste them into the email editor. If you send with email providers such as MailChimp, GetResponse, Sendinblue, you can use the newsletter HTML code. For example, going to GetResponse website, you can create newsletter, choose the option By Myself, thus choose the option Design Your Message, HTML editor, and paste the newsletter HTML code to create or GetResponse newsletter. You can do this with any email provider that allows you to create an email from HTML code. Another way to share a content stream is to embed it as a web page on your website or blog. Go to the embed channel and grab the embed code, then add it to any website that allows embedded content such as WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix. For example, on your WordPress website, paste the embed code on a new post or page. Make sure your editor is on the text tab. And there you go, your website just has another beautiful post. We hope you found this tutorial informative and enjoyable. For further assistance, reach out to us. Thanks for choosing EOwn. Keep enjoying EOwn, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.